last class we have discussed about how you have to convert the number from octal to decimal, and I have given you these four problems and you have to done it in your homework. So today first of all we have discussed these questions. So take number 732 and you have to convert this number into decimal. So start from this one. This is the 0th place value. So take the power of base 8 power 0. This one is 8 power 1 and this one is 8 power 2. So 8 power 0 1 into 2. Now write in such a way 2 into 8 power 0, 3 into 8 power 1 plus 64, 7 into 8 power 2. Now 8 power 0 is 1, so 2 into 1. Now 8 power 1 is 8, 8 into 3, 8 power 2, 64. Now multiply with 2 into 1, so this give you 2 plus 8 into 3, 24. Now 64 multiplied by 7, 7 4 ja 28, 2 left, 7 6 ja 42 plus 2, 44. So now sum these numbers. Number 2, 341 base 8 to base 8 to decimal. So write the number here 341 and take the power of base. This one is 8 power 0, this is 8 power 1, this is 8 power 2. Now multiply it with its place values. So 1 into 8 power 0 plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 2. So 8 power 0 is 1 into 1 plus 8 power 1 is 8 into 4 plus 8 square is 64 into 3. So 8 1 into 1, it gives you 1. 8 4 ja 32 and 64 multiplied by 3, 3 4 ja 12. 12 to 1 left, 3 6 ja 18 1, 19. Now sum of these numbers 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. And now 3 plus 9 12, 1 left and 1 1 2. So it gives you 225 base 10. Now take the number, question number 3, 7 37 base 8 to base 10. So write the number 7 37, take the place value. So this one is 8 power 0, this is 8 power 1, this gives you 8 power 2 and this is 8 power 0. Now write this number 7 into 8 power 0 plus 3 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 2. 8 power 0 1, 1 into 7 plus 8 power 1 8, 8 multiplied by 3 and this one 8 square 64 multiplied by 6. Now multiply this 7 into 1, it gives you 7, 8 3 ja 24 plus 64 multiplied by 7, 7 4 ja 28, 2 left, 7 6 are 42 plus 2 14 4. Now sum of these numbers, 7 plus 4 11 plus 8 19, 1 left, 2 plus 4 6 1 7. So it's give you 479 base 10. So these are the solution of the last 4 questions, and you have to note down and check your solution. Today I will discuss how you have to convert a number into hexadecimal number. So I will give you one example how you have to convert a number into hexadecimal number. We have known that a hexadecimal number have a base 60. So the hexadecimal number contain a digit or symbol from 0 to 50, and digits are 0, 1, 2 and so on 9, and write 10 as a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 को A, 11 को B, 12 as a treated as C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. So you have to write. These are the symbols in a hexadecimal number. So now we have taken example, take a number in decimal, and you have to convert this number into a hexadecimal number. Now we take a number 973. This number is in decimal, and we have to convert this number into hexadecimal. And hexadecimal number have a base 60. So when you have to convert a number in decimal, convert a number from decimal to another base, you have to divide with the base of that number. So take a number 973, start dividing with the base of hexadecimal number. So this is 60, 16 6 are 96, 1, 13. So 13 is the remainder. Now we have to divide 60 with 16. 16 3 are 48, and it gives you 12. Write this number from here to here. So 3, 12, 30 is 60. We have know that 12 is written as C and 13 is written as D. So in place of 12 and 13 we put these respective values. So this is 3 C D base 60. I think you have understood this. Now we will take one more example. 1, 2, 6, 4, and you have to convert this number into hexadecimal number. Now take this number 1, 2, 6, 4 and start dividing by 16. So this is 126 and 16 7 ja 112. So 14, 16 9 ja 144. So it's give you 0. Now further divide with 16. 16 4 ja 64 and it's give you 15. Now write this number. So 4, 15, 0, base 16. Put the value of 15 from here. So this is 4 f 0 base 16. So this is the conversion from decimal to hexadecimal. So we take, for example, 4 more questions and you have done in your homework. First one is 863 base 10 to base 16. Question number 2, 1463 base 10 to base 16. Question number 3, 1523 to base 10 to base 16. And question number 4, 1026 base 10 to base 16. Now you have do these questions in your home and we will discuss it next class. Thank you very much.